Hello there! A lot of you sometimes ask about like the cosplays I do, and I thought I'm going to start a cosplay video series now. These videos aren't intended to be like a you must do it this way kind of video though. It's more for like people like me who just want to have fun with the cosplay. I actually ran a poll to see which cosplay you guys would like me to talk about first, and the winner of that was Percival De Rolo III from Critical Role. More specifically, the Bubblegum Percy. So, without further ado, here is the cosplay. So when I started this cosplay, the inspiration for the look came from Kit Buster's art of Percy, and also Taliesin's look in the Campaign 1 intro of Critical Role. The main thing I wanted to start on first was the coat, since that was like the main feature of Percy's look. I got a fairly cheap steampunk coat from eBay, which my nan was really amazing in helping modify the coat so it'd look more like Percy's. I did used to have some more detailed gold glasses with magnifiers that clip on, but since then I've had to get prescribed glasses since I can't use contacts anymore. The shirt is just one I got from Primark. The trousers were actually one of the things that took the longest to find because I couldn't totally find a style that I liked, but I ended up going with these ones. The waistcoat is from Next, but we actually bought it for a few pounds in a charity shop in Manchester. If you're new to cosplay or you can't spend too much on an outfit, charity shops are really helpful for either inspiration or finding an outfit that you can put together for cheap. The shoes were another thing that I got from New Look, which happened to be on sale at the time. I did used to have another bag, but it broke just before London MCM, so I had to panic buy another one from New Look, which also just happened to be in the sales. Looking in the sales section can be pretty handy for getting an outfit together cheap as well. The gloves were actually something my sister let me borrow from her Selena Kyle cosplay, and the neckerchief and raven necklace were from eBay. As far as the white hair goes, I use Smithy's white colour hairspray to make it go white. It's usually the first thing I put on when I'm doing the cosplay because it tends to go all over the place when I'm putting it on. You could use a wig, but I figured since I already have short hair I might as well just put some spray on it. It's only £3 or £4 from Amazon as well, so it's not too bad. The only issue I have sometimes with the spray is that it can rub off onto the neckerchief or coat. And here comes the twist to my cosplay. As much as I wanted to cosplay Percy, I'm a very smiley and giggly person. I did actually get a gun prop which I used for the photo shoot, but I knew at conventions I wouldn't be able to keep a straight face. Luckily my friend Emily gave me the really good suggestion of using a bubble gun. Side note, if you really love Critical Role cosplays, Emily does amazing outfits. She usually posts progress photos on the cosplay she's doing as well, so if you want to give her a follow, you can find her at Rose So Costumes on either Facebook or Twitter. The bubble gun is my favourite part of the cosplay because it's just so funny to turn up to Critical Role meets and like everyone's there in like their amazing outfits as their characters, and then there's me blowing bubbles as Percy. And here's the outfit all together. I was worried originally when I asked people if I should do a cosplay of Percy, because I'm quite a cheerful person, but there was so much love and support from the community, so that was really amazing. And seeing everyone laugh when I'm using the bubble gun is just the best thing. If you have any other questions, feel free to leave a comment. I'm also planning on doing more cosplay videos, so if you want to stick around for them, feel free to subscribe. I also do animations as well, so until next time, take care and goodbye! Most specifically, the bubblegum one. Nope. Most specifically, the bubblegum Percy. Yeah!